Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews. First, are you looking for the top 5 best Wi-Fi dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best Wi-Fi dash cams in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Upgrade your driving security with the Torrential 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear, designed to capture every detail on the road. Dual 4K ultra-high-definition cameras record crystal-clear footage from both front and rear, ensuring reliable evidence day or night. A free 128 GB memory card is included, so you can start recording immediately without extra cost. Powered by advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the dash camera enables faster video transfers and smooth app control on your smartphone. Built-in GPS accurately logs speed and location, while the intelligent G-sensor automatically locks emergency footage during sudden impacts or collisions. With a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, the front camera covers more lanes, reducing blind spots and enhancing overall road awareness. The 3-inch IPS display delivers vivid colors and clear playback, making it easy to review footage on the go. Ideal for daily commuting, road trips, or professional driving, the Torrential Dash Cam offers dependable performance, premium features, and peace of mind every time you drive. Trusted durability and sleek design make it a smart investment today worldwide. Number 2. The REDTIGER Dual 4K dash cam delivers premium performance and reliability for drivers who want complete road coverage and peace of mind. Equipped with advanced STARVIS 2 eMMC 678 sensors on both the front and rear cameras, it captures stunning true 4K front and rear footage, even in low-light conditions. Dual HDR technology ensures balanced exposure, preserving critical details like license plates and road signs day or night. With a built-in 256 GB eMMC storage, you get faster data processing, improved durability, and worry-free loop recording without the need for external memory cards. The intuitive 4-inch touchscreen allows easy navigation, playback, and settings control, while voice control enables hands-free operation for safer driving. Designed for convenience and reliability, the REDTIGER dash cam also features a wide-angle lens for maximum coverage and seamless front and rear synchronization. Whether for daily commuting, long road trips, or added security, this dash cam provides crystal-clear evidence and dependable performance when it matters most. Number 3. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dash cam is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to provide complete protection and crystal-clear recording for your vehicle. Equipped with true 4K front camera, 2160p, and dual 1080p rear and inside cameras, it captures every detail on the road and inside the cabin simultaneously. The built-in IR night vision ensures clear interior footage even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for rideshare drivers and families alike. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly transfer videos to your smartphone for easy viewing and sharing, while the built-in GPS accurately records speed and location data for added security. The dash cam includes a 64 GB memory card, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Its 3-inch display screen allows effortless navigation, real-time viewing, and playback. Reliable, compact, and feature-packed, the REDTIGER F17 delivers advanced safety, convenience, and peace of mind every time you drive. Number 4. Experience complete road coverage with the ROVE R2-4K Dual Pro Dashcam front and rear, designed to deliver premium clarity, security, and reliability for every drive. Featuring true 4K recording on the front camera and crisp 2K resolution on the rear, this dual dash camera captures license plates, road signs, and critical details with exceptional sharpness day or night. Advanced Sony STARVIS sensors, wide-angle lenses, and superior HDR technology ensure balanced exposure and vivid footage in all lighting conditions. Built for modern drivers, the ROVE R2-4K Dual Pro includes built-in GPS to track speed and location, loop recording for uninterrupted use, and G-sensor emergency locking to protect important clips during sudden impacts. Seamless Wi-Fi connectivity allows quick access, playback, and sharing through the ROVE mobile app. With a sleek design, easy installation, and dependable performance, this dash cam provides peace of mind, evidence when you need it most, and a smarter way to protect your vehicle on every journey. It is ideal for commuters, road trips, rideshare drivers, and daily city driving. Number 5. The Viofo A329S 4K 3-channel dash cam is a powerful and reliable solution for complete vehicle protection and recording. It features a 4K UHD front camera, a 2K cabin fisheye camera with an ultra-wide 210 degrees view, and a 2K rear camera, ensuring every angle inside and outside your car is captured with exceptional clarity. Equipped with all-channel Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, the A329S delivers outstanding low-light and night performance, making it ideal for both day and nighttime driving. The dash cam includes an advanced power-saving parking mode, intelligently monitoring your vehicle while minimizing battery drain when parked. With Wi-Fi 6 app control, users can quickly access footage, adjust settings, and download videos directly to their smartphone with faster and more stable connectivity. Designed for rideshare drivers, families, and daily commuters, the Viofo A329S provides enhanced safety, evidence protection, and peace of mind. Its premium build, wide coverage, and smart features make it a top choice for modern drivers who demand performance and reliability.